Yeah, what is
Also
your favorite food? The street food. What is your favorite street food?
Favorite, unsa?
Favorite street food or whatever.
Street food. Favorite food. Wait, mo thinking ako ang ngalan.
Di mo gusto.
Latsa ba? Unsa? Tanong? Tanong?
Talong? Yeah,
Talong.
okay.
See? Balo pa ako.
Ah, talong. What about bananas?
Yeah, talong mo na.
Patakal.
Unsa man ang
Talong kay Kwan man na, aubergine man na sa German.
kita ka, nalimot ako.
Eggplant in English and German is aubergine. Banana is saging.
Nay, wala, uy. Naaman saging, but naaman sa grill. Mo init. Unsa man ang ngalan? Sige lang man.
Ginanggang. That's ginanggang.
Ginanggang na put different name.
Yeah, maruya or
No, wala.
banana Q. You mean?
Yeah, kana, but na put other word.
Banana Q?
Wala ikaw balo.
Banana Fritz?
Unsa?
Banana Fritz.
Naaman put with sugar. It's tanaw like lumpia ba? Man.
Okay.
Banana.
Oh, what is it? I forgot it. Moment. That is like
Ikaw.
turun.
Ah, turon! Na, ikaw po! Wala. Kita ka? Na.
That's your favorite turun, right?
Yeah, right. Na,
And-
ingon
And how many pieces you can eat?
3?
3? Only 3?
Na, in one thing is duha ang banana. 3? 6 banana on.
6 bananas in one time, my goodness. Yeah.
Yeah, mo. Healthy man.
Healthy day na. Mo din naman ambok day ka.
Wala, uy.
Wala kang tambok.
Vitamin.
What
But
about
sa-
mango with
sa-
sauce, with pink sauce?
Yeah.